Hello guys. Today I'll be telling you about the changes in Green Hill and Sonic Simulator. So the first changes, you see that these things are here for Halloween. The spooky crystal is here. Even the blue echoes of blue bash cover stone. There's a cartoon party and a pumpkin hill. And there's these pumpkins dispenser. I was getting these. We put the spooky pass on the corner instead of in the middle. We put the game passes. They put the game passes in here. And we put friends and stores here. And now you have things underway. Where is Ninja Shadow strikes back and can cook? I don't know what that means. Well, I gotta tell you something. It's in jungle speed, so it's speed jungle, so think of me wrong. Yeah, as you can see, the ninja event is still here, not dead by the way, not gone or anything, and yeah. Yeah. If you look over 200 again, I'm not saying that. So that's all I gotta say for now. Bye bye guys.